When building or upgrading a panel, it is important to know the maximum SCCR or short circuit current rating of the panel to protect equipment and personnel. We will explain how to calculate the panel rating in this video. The basic idea is that the SCCR for the entire panel must be lower than or equal to the lowest SCCR value among the panel's components and circuits. This ensures that every part of the panel is sufficiently protected. Most electrical components today have their individual SCCR marked on the component itself by the manufacturer or listed on the UL website. These values are important. To calculate the SCCR of the panel, first you must identify all components in the power circuit. These include disconnect switches, circuit breakers, fuse holders, overload relays, motor controllers, contactors, terminal blocks, and power distribution blocks. Next, determine and record the SCCR value for all of the components in your power circuit. Again, these are typically marked on the components. If not, reference UL Table SB4.1, published under UL Standard 508A. Next, determine the SCCR for each branch circuit. The lowest component SCCR is the equivalent branch circuit SCCR. Record these values. Then, determine and record the SCCR for the feeder circuit. Take into account feeder circuit overcurrent protection devices. At this point, you should have the SCCR for each component, branch circuit, and feeder circuit in the panel. The lowest value is the SCCR for the entire control panel. To learn more about short circuit current ratings or building a panel, contact our experts today.